What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Cows Coasting video. Today we're going to be going to Holland, Michigan to enjoy the Tulip Festival and check out some other exciting things that I've been wanting to see there as well. It's a bit of a drive, but let's go for it. Alright, real quick, everybody, tell me, if you can, what video I featured that song in for a shout out in my next video. Just let me know down in the comments below what video that was featured in, and I'll feature your name in my next video. Alright, everybody, I made it to the first stop of the trip here. It's going to be Holland Harbor Lighthouse, or they call it Big Red. I think it was established pretty early 1870s, if I recall correctly. So I'm really excited to be here. Funny story real quick as I'm walking up to the lighthouse, and I'll show you some views in a minute. I know people say they're always kind of nervous about going to a new place that they haven't been to before, like if it's safe or whatever. So I had seen a cop kind of go in front of me, so I'm like, oh, I better go ahead and be careful because I wanted to make sure I wasn't speeding or anything. Well, like, probably a mile down the road, I ended up seeing like 4 cop cars straight up pulling somebody out of their house and arresting them at a trailer park. So I'm like, that's kind of an intense, warm welcome, I guess you could say. But just to show you guys here, look at that view over there. I'm just trying to find a good vantage point so we can get some good pictures and maybe do a little flying also. It wouldn't be a Cows Coasting video if I didn't take some drone footage of this beautiful lighthouse behind me. So let's go ahead and make some magic happen. Now that I've got everything ready, let's check out some drone footage. Guys, I don't know if you've seen it or not, but when I lifted off, how cool I was with the drone. I accidentally hit my finger with the prop. So, if you don't want to make mistakes like I do sometimes, don't do that. Hey coasters, pro tip here. It's okay to travel alone sometimes. I have to say that a lot of the times that I do a lot of my solo traveling, it kind of gets me out of my shell a little bit more to, I don't know, I wouldn't say talk to strangers because, you know, be safe out there, obviously. But it's really cool because you get the chance to meet people that you may not have talked to before because you have a buddy with you. I just met somebody from South Dakota earlier, and we were just chatting for a minute. She was fishing, and it was awesome. So, if you are that lady fishing watching this video, shout out to you. You're a real one. You're really cool when I was flying my drone. And shout out to the 2 ladies who were applauding me after I finished up too. That was really awesome. And thanks again. Alright, it's probably really loud here, but that's it. That's what we walked to, and that was my time at the big red lighthouse, Clifford, if you will, until the next stop. I'm like freaking out about the parking right now because the parking was hard to find. Holland is much bigger than I thought it was. And yeah, I'm walking a little bit of a distance, but I parked on the side of the road. Every car was facing one way, but mine's facing the opposite way. So I'm hoping that I don't get a ticket or they hate me because of it. Pretty sure that's okay to do. We'll see what I'm hoping. I'm hoping it's okay. All right, I tell you what, it's best to get parking early or take a shuttle, because this is quite a long walk. It's a lot of fun, it is nice, but I'm ready just to be there so I can check out the flowers. What do you guys think? Would you walk to the place or would you take a shuttle and play it easy? Almost there though. Alright, I don't know if you can hear the music behind me. This is a lot of fun. If you guys have never done this before, check out Tulip Festival in Holland. As you can see, look at those beautiful flowers behind me. They're just absolutely everywhere, so it's really awesome. There's a lot more to explore. I'm going to show you guys some more clips of the beautiful tulips and other cool heritage, if I can speak my words correctly, the other heritage that this place has to offer as well. So let's find out and see what else is out. Okay, that was fun, wasn't it? I had an absolute blast. Let me know if you guys ever been to Tulip Festival before, or if you plan on it now that you watch this video. Let me know down in the comments below. I would love to hear about it. Again, this isn't just my journeys, but it's the ones I'm sharing with you guys too. Alright, I just walked back from the main spot, or the Windmill Garden Island, I believe it's called here, in Holland for the Tulip Festival. I think I'm a little bit, yeah, I'm a little toasted. I'm a little burnt. That's okay. It's all for the fun and games of everything. But I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit more when I get home so we can debrief a little bit. Wow, that was a lot of fun. Holland, you have a lot of things to experience, and I'm glad I had the chance to experience a couple things, like the Lighthouse and the Tulip Festival, which everybody, I know I said this a couple times before, but keep in mind it runs about the first weekend or so of May up until, well, right now, which is, today is May 15th. I don't know, I had to check my watch for that, I already know what day it is. But it is really fun, it is really cool to be able to see everything in peak bloom, and I'm glad I had the chance to experience it with all of you as well. If you had a favorite part of the video, please let me know down in the comment section below. I feel like Dora the Explorer asking what was your favorite part, but hey, if it's cheesy, I don't care. Let me know what you thought, and if you had any fun with me too. I appreciate you guys again. I know I say this every video, but it does mean a lot to me, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Turn that notification bell on because it costs nothing to you, but does truly mean everything to me. And I'm going to end this video off with, has anybody told you that you're important today? Because you are.